What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, Tudia was kind enough to send me out 3 cases for my TCL30 XE. So pretty much we're going to put these on my TCL30 XE and I'm going to tell you my thoughts about them. So they sent me out 3 different colors. First I have indigo blue, and then I have matte black, and then I have rose gold. So first we're going to do the rose gold. I'm just going to unpackage it and throw it on the case and give you a walk, throw it on the phone and give you a walk around the case and tell you what I think. So pretty much this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to put my TCL30 XE in like so, and pretty much this is what it looks like on the back. It looks nice. It has a nice feel to it. So on this, and it has good lip protection. As you can see here, it has a thick lip, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should have nothing to worry about because it is protecting the phone. You also get a nice easy access to your fingerprint scanner. As you can see here, no troubles at all with me placing my finger in the fingerprint scanner. It's easy. You also get nice cutouts for your buttons for your volume up and down button. They're very nice and clicky. The power button is very nice and clicky. As you can see there, no problems. It's not stiff at all. And on this side you get nothing, but at the bottom here you do get access for your speaker and your USB charging port. And then on the top you get your headphone jack, and you get access for your speaker and headphone jack, and those are good and they sit deep in the cutouts. So this is pretty much what this case would look like. And you also get a good cutout for your camera on the back, so if you place it flat down on the table you should have no worries at all. Overall, I do like the look and the feel of this Tudia case. Tudia makes good cases, so this is what you're gonna get if you have the TCL30 XE in rose gold. That's the rose gold case. So now we're going to pick up that matte black. I believe this is the matte black that I picked up right now. Yes, this is the matte black one. It's going to have the exact same design, but I still want to show you this on the case just so you can see all the different colors. So pretty much everything is still easy. You get easy access to the lip. You see the lip, you get a deep lip. So like I said, you don't have to worry about placing your phone flat down on the table. You should be good to go. You know, it has good access to your fingerprint scanner, like I said before, because these are the exact same cases, and it just feels good, and looks good. The camera bump looks nice. You get easy access to your volume up and down and your power button. You also get these little ridges down here at the bottom. They feel bumpy, but that's for grip protection, so this case will not fall out of your hand with the phone in the case because it has that grip protection. And if you lay it flat down on the table, you should be good to go with no problem. And this is also a 2-part case, but I'm just using it as a 1-part case. But this is actually a 2-part case. It's a hard shell on the back and then like a TPU rubber in the inside. Now let's do the final case, which is gonna have to be the indigo blue, and I am a fan of blue, so this should be the case that I'll probably rock on my TCL30 XE if I need to look up something on the internet or whatever. But anyways, we're gonna put this on the phone and I'm gonna do the exact same steps. So pretty much this is what it'll look like. Like I said, you get that nice lip, some nice lippage, so you do not have to worry about that. You get nice clicky buttons on your volume up and down button. Your power button is nice and clicky. It's not sticky, it's not getting stuck. There's those ridge protection you get that I love for good grip protection, so this will not slide out of your hand. You have access to your fingerprint scanner, easy access, no problems. Nice deep cutout for the camera, so you don't have to worry about laying your phone down flat on the table. You are good and protected to go. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.